say? Root you on.
I've been wondering where you are, because I saw you guys come out and I didn't see you. I thought, where's Tina?
That's it. Give him a quick talking to when you get on.
He's like, hey.
Appreciate it, big dog.
Thank you.
Let's rock this.
You want to take
No, I'll just wait till you go upstairs. I don't want to hassle you now. You're very busy.
Number 6,
owners and just
When they were coming down the stretch, what were your thoughts?
Only if Chad kissed me.
Absolutely, very happy
okay, we're going to cool them out.
to you to just see your horse cross the finish line
It's
first?
unbelievable experience. It's just amazing. Could never have imagined in a million years. I grew up about 3 blocks over that way. Used to come here after junior high. They let you in free for the last couple of races, and sat in the infield for Preaknesses, but never even imagined I'd own a horse, let alone win the Preakness.
You guys have invested a lot in more ways than one in different industries. What gave you the confidence that this was a horse that could take on this challenge so lightly raced?
I think that people may underestimate that a horse that's improving rapidly has a big chance, and so we've had some success with that strategy. But what I knew was when Chad Brown said, let's hold him out of the Derby, he's not ready for that yet, let's try the Preakness, I knew we'd have a big shot.
What would Bobby think?
Oh gosh, yeah. What would your mentor, Bobby Frankel, think?
I would think he would be very proud of me. You know, in his career, I learned so much from him, and you know, he wanted the Derby and the Preakness. There's really the only 2 races that probably eluded him in his unbelievable career. So this one's for him.
What gave you the confidence in a horse that was so lightly raced to take on this class of competition in a race like the Preakness?
The horse had always shown so much ability. He just got a late start. I like the fact the way it was setting up for 6 weeks rest and taking on 2 really good horses on only 2 weeks. I always try to take an advantage if I can, and I thought that the time was on our side, rest, and it was a perfect setting to do something like this.
How does it feel to be the bad guy, actually? To knock off the horse that everybody was rooting for?
Yeah, I mean, we don't mind playing spoiler. We've been on both sides of it, and we know how it feels. And it's horse racing. It's a tough sport, and this time we're on the right side of it.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's great seeing you.